Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So very short video today on just to show you how to do your own DIY hand sanitizer spray. So for this, I'm gonna use a small, about 60 milliliter spray bottle. I have in here plastic clear bottle. If you have a glass dark bottle, that's fine as well. And as well, we're gonna need for this alcohol, of course. I have in here rubbing alcohol, which is 70%. If you have like 100% real alcohol or 95, that's fine as well. Just before you mix everything, all the ingredients into the bottle, dilute with some water. Then I will add some essential oils, which has antibacterial properties. For this, I chose sweet orange essential oil. And then I have tea tree essential oil and eucalyptus essential oil. As well, if you don't like these essential oils, you can use peppermint essential oil, lavender essential oil. There's another few essential oils which you can use. So after I'm putting my essential oil, I will add aloe vera juice. If you don't have aloe vera juice, you can use aloe vera gel, that's fine. And the cherry on top, we're gonna add 2 or 3 drops of the fractionated coconut oil, which will keep our hands moistured, because as you know, alcohol does drying out the skin. So no further ado, we're just gonna mix everything together. So this is about 60 milliliters container, so I need to fill in 70% of this container with my alcohol. So out of 60 milliliters container, so about 40 milliliters I have to fill in with my alcohol. So I have my alcohol here. Okay, then I will add some essential oils. So I'm literally gonna add like 2 drops or so. So orange essential oil, tea tree essential oil, literally like 2 drops, 2, 3, no more, you don't need much. And eucalyptus essential oil. And now I will add my aloe vera juice to literally top it up. I'm just gonna top it up with my aloe vera juice. Till the 60. Yeah. And like 2-3 drops I will do of the coconut oil. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Just gonna close it properly and shake it well. Because there are some oils in it, as you know, alcohol and aloe vera is water soluble, and coconut oil and essential oils is oil soluble. So that means that they do not mix together. So every time before use, just shake it well. And that's it. You can feel alcohol and all the essential oils. And I literally can feel this little moisture of the coconut, oil. Yes, all good. So it's ready to go. Guys, just remember, because it contains alcohol, it's flammable. So keep away from children, keep away from direct sun, and put some label on it, that is hand sanitizer. It's not only water, and it's not to play around with. So yeah, stay safe. Thank you. Bye.